Namaste, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am teaching if you have sciatica or you preventing sciatica, so this is the practice you can do. Just few yoga pose, that is help. Okay, how to doing? Let's first thing is just releasing the tension from the hip joints. So feet together, you're lifting crown, lifting back. So it's important thing you're not rounding back. Back is straight, maybe just palms on the ground. And just lifting crown, back is straight, and breathing into your hip joint. Or your walk hands forward, make sure your back is straight and you're feeling in your hip joints. Let's make 2 Brahri here. Inhale. Inhale. Beautiful. Inhale, slowly coming up. And exhale. In sciatica also help gentle spinal twist. It is called Gomukhasan. So for that one, let's stretch your leg forward, bending right leg. And keep right heel close to your right hip. Now hold your right knee with your left hand. Now back straight and exhaling, just keep the right hand backside. Flex left feet and equal weight on both sitting bone, looking back over right shoulder, and just few breathing here. Next inhale, come in center, and let's do same thing from other side. Stretch left leg forward, right leg forward, and let's bending left leg. Hold your left knee with the right hand and keep left palm on the ground, behind back. Looking back over left shoulder, eyes closed. If you happier, deeper breathing. Inhale center and exhale, stretch leg forward. Now forward bending. But forward bending, make sure you're doing that with the back straight. Let's slightly open your legs. Just keep your heels in the edge of your yoga mat. Inhale, lift, exhale forward. Maybe that is enough. Or going a little bit more forward, allow to breathing into your hip joints. Releasing tension from lower back, releasing tension from the hamstring, and preventing sciatica. You could go a little bit more forward. Moving head forward is no round back. Beautiful. Inhale up, raise arms up, and exhale, arms down. And next and last one is Gomukhasan. This is really good for your sciatica. Now let's bending left leg and keep the right leg on your left. So both knees in one line. Now you inhale, exhaling forward. But keep back straight here. Moving head forward, breathe deeper. Now inhale, slowly come up, change the leg, exhaling. Bring your left knee or right knee. Sometimes it's help to keep the palms on the ground and that's just hold the legs. Inhale, exhale forward. Not going all the way like this. No, it is moving. Head forward, is back straight, but you can feel quite much opening in your hip joints, also in your lower back. Inhale, let's slowly come up. Exhale, and sitting into easy, comfortable pose. Let's make 3 Brahri. Brahri really help. Exhale, inhale for Brahri. Inhale. Inhale. Beautiful. So you do this practice 2 or 3 times a day, and this is really help your sciatica. Thank you for watching this my YouTube channel. You're welcome to join me akhandayogaonline.com as well. There is many classes for you. Namaste. Hari Om Tat Sat from Himalayan.